Okay, you guys, we waited 3 weeks for this. Welcome, welcome. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are back with the April box from Cloth and Paper. We're going to be unboxing it, and if it's applicable, then we will probably set it up in our planner. If it's not applicable, then you will find that out in the timestamp. If you are brand new here, thank you so much for coming by. I'm so glad that you are here and you're sharing your time and your space with me. Consider subscribing if you have not yet already. We chat at least 1 to 2 times a week on this channel, and we talk about anything and everything minimalist planning. Okay, without further ado, why don't we just dive right into this guy? And I'm pretty sure that you've already seen most of the unboxing, but let's just see my own reaction to all the goodies. So let's open her up. This always looks so funny how this is empty, by the way. So we have pen lapis stylio penna. All right, this is where you could be receiving exclusive items for each month as a Penspiration subscriber. But since you're not, it's like wah, wah, wah. And then here's the card that has everything in it. I don't know, you guys, let's hope that I'm not going to regret not canceling this box. Let me get this out of the way. First things first, looks like we have these little notebook. Now, okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but did we not receive like a little booklet situation like last month or the month before? I mean, I'm using it, but okay, let's see what this is about. I did decide to stick with the sub box, and hopefully it's for the better. We'll find out. Let me read this. You get like a little lined reporter notepad. So if you wanted to become a reporter, you would order this from Cloth and Paper, and you would be like, I'm a detective now. I'm totally kidding. I don't even know, it's a notepad. I mean, I don't know, is it lined or is it grid? Now I need to take this off. Ugh. And there's like no graceful way of removing this. Okay, let's see. See, it's lined. Okay, looks like you have the little calendar card. Yay, we have stickies. Now I really enjoy this. I really enjoy this. Oh gosh, okay. Okay, Cloth and Paper, you win. I love these. I love these. These muted greens and muted, like this soft rose color is just so my jam. I absolutely love this. I'm not even going to lie. We are unpacking this for sure. Super cute. I love it. Okay, you win. We're staying. Okay, so this is composition stickers. Looks like you just get like these basic shapes, and I think that you can use them as like a beautiful like layering type of situation. I love this. I hope you have the courage. I hope you have the courage to do things differently. Boy, do I have. Oh my goodness, you guys, like look how stunning this is. Okay, and then we have a daily gratitude log, which I enjoy. I have to be honest with you guys, I still have their little booklets for gratitude. I think that those are more specific. If you guys want to see, actually, that's a really good idea. If you want to see a comparison video between this as an insert versus the little booklet, I would love to show you 2 different ways that you can use them. So this would be like a daily gratitude log. So I can see this. I love this as an insert. I will actually use this as an insert, even though, so here's my thing. I have to be honest, because honestly, whenever I'm using, I haven't even told you guys about this. Let me grab it. Totally not related, but I've been using the 5-minute journal, and within that, if you're not familiar, each day you're writing down what you're grateful for, your daily affirmations, and then what actually happened today. However, this would be like really nice. I think that it would be kind of cool to keep this as specific to you know, within business or specific to family. Like if you're kind of challenging yourself, almost like as a midday check-in type of thing, what are you grateful for? Because sometimes like I have a hard time with this, like first thing in the morning, sort of like, what are you grateful for? Like I kind of like to look back on the 3 things that I'm grateful for at the end of the day. But yeah, this would be fantastic. So I'm definitely going to be using that. Okay, let's talk about this. Beginning of the week, we have commitments, priorities, organize, and ideas. What am I responsible for the week? This is so faint, you can barely see it. Priorities, what do I need to accomplish? Organize, what in my space needs organization? And what new creative plans do I have? How can I have a productive week and how can I be... So I like this layout. I have to be honest. Okay, let me zoom you guys in. I have to be honest with this. So I'll just show you one without the... There's too much glare that's coming in at the moment. So here's my thing. And I actually do think that this is a great insert, actually. And then on the back... So it's like very much mindfulness based. However, if your mind is very busy, okay, when you're writing down commitments, priorities, organize, like what do you need to organize and what are your ideas, all of these things could be a journaling prompt in and of itself. So just kind of be aware of that. Again, I feel like I could elaborate on this so much, just both learning and studying mindfulness as well as teaching meditation and practicing it every single day and been journaling for a while and working with people with like deep anxiety. So I kind of feel like if I'm looking at this as an untrained mind and I'm kind of looking at like, you can simplify this for sure, but just be aware that your thoughts might be running away with you, because if my analytical mind looks at this, commitments would be, what am I responsible for? And then I would like draft down my entire to-do list. That would be my first instinct. And I know that that's not what this is for. So I think that we would kind of need to talk about. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. If you guys want to see how I would personally use this insert, let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to elaborate on both this and this of how you can use them effectively and how it can be just a beautiful practice that can actually help you with your mental health without getting into overwhelm and overdrive, so that it doesn't like overstimulate your mind. So that's all I'm going to say about this, but I really like this actually. Let's look at the cards. Gratitude cards. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Hang on, actually, I have a little knife. I came prepared. Oh, this is so beautiful. Like, you guys, this is so beautiful. Like, honestly, you give this to anybody and you will make their heart melt. How beautiful are you? Good God. Just like a basic little picture, and it says, I just wanted to say, speaking of gratitude, actually, one really nice way that you can kind of use this, and I've done this before with my husband's birthday, where I would give like little notes to everybody and I would ask them, what is the one thing that you're grateful for that relates to my husband? Like, what are you grateful for? Or what is one thing that you appreciate about this person? So here, a thankful appreciation for what an individual receives, whether tangible or intangible. With gratitude, people acknowledge the goodness in their lives. And it's so true. And yeah, they're all exactly the same. So there's a bunch of cards, and then you have like the matching envelopes. I think this is beautiful. Let me just put it back into its box so that it's nice and organized. I think that if you were to make this into a habit, to each month you send it to like, I don't even know how many is in there. I think 25. Let me just double check. Yeah, you get 25 cards. So yeah, imagine just sending like a couple a month. Oof. Imagine just how meaningful that is, especially when you make it personal. You know what, cloth and paper? Like, hats off to you. You did good this month. Last couple of months I was kind of questioning of like, what on earth are we doing here? but this month you did it, so way to go. We're unpacking everything. Eckhart Tolle. Okay, you guys, let's take a look at the cards. Acknowledging the good you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. So there is a quote from Eckhart Tolle: cultivate yourself. You have control in the process of growth. You get to curate the characteristics that add up to a person that you are. Traits to magnify, traits to minify, traits to find, traits to avoid. Necessities for my life, a list of non-negotiables. And I can kind of feel like you can put either one of these stickies, or you can put like those little flags, or even like some of these. This kind of reminds me of like the little washi strips that I have, but I think that you can kind of, okay, not bad, you guys, not bad. This is absolutely stunning. I really, really love the color composition. Why don't we switch a couple of things out, and I'll give you guys a small little flip through. If you guys want to see like a full flip through of my A5 planner, let me know. I generally don't really film them separately, but I feel like here we can make some swaps, because why not? Okay, first of all, inner pocket. Here we go. The inner pocket has this little card, which is so cute. It says plannering, the act of setting up, decorating, switching up, and having a photo shoot with your planner. Every day I'm plannering. I love this, and it's almost like I don't want anything else here. Clairvoyance, I love this card. I have that pretty much everywhere. With the one note about the Eckhart Tolle quote, actually, so a while ago, I brought out a book from the library, and it was from Eckhart Tolle. I believe it's called The New Earth. And for a while, I lost it. And then eventually I found it in my daughter's room. And as soon as I found it, I started reading it. And I was like, oh my goodness. So immediately I went back and I bought the book because it was so good. This guy, I'm going to move. I'm going to actually move it here. Here we go. If you're wondering, this little card is from Color Cafe. The authenticity that's still from Cloth and Paper. Minimalism is still from Cloth and Paper, and this is it has like this really, it has like these dots on there, this gritty texture. I absolutely love this. It Choose to Shine. It's also from Color Cafe. Then we have my little Year at a Glance dashboard layered with this bed sheet. It's so beautiful. And then we have Mindset is Everything. So this, again, another clear dashboard from Color Cafe, layered with Grow, Stop Looking for Happiness in the Same Place You Lost It. Now this is where I would like to swap this out. As much as I love this, and I think that it really fits, but I mean, let's see this. Oh, can we please? So pretty, right? Okay, and I want to see where I can add this. I noticed that I'm not adding too many things to my planner anymore. I love this as well, but I think this guy has to go. And I would like to use something underneath this, because I just feel like there's too many layering pieces, right? Although they kind of work, but maybe the deep breaths, I'm going to actually move this to another section. Underneath this, I will need something. For now, maybe we can just move one of these here. We'll come back to you. I also have the overview dashboard. Then we have Flourish, Wellness. And then we have the Abundant and Joy. But then I didn't put anything behind it. So why don't we put a couple of these here? I think that this would be a really nice place to add this. And then we'll also add a few of these guys. Not bad. So it looks like you're just getting like a nice variety of like these muted colors that kind of match this, which is really pretty. I feel like very spring-like, you know what I mean? Very like pep in your step, like let's embrace our inner pastels. That's it. That's all I'm going to do right now. If you guys want to see like a complete switch out and everything that I might do. For now, I'm not going to do it. For now, I just kind of wanted to kind of swap a few things out so that we're not sitting here for 25 minutes. This is all I wanted to share with you guys. I'm highly impressed. Like, I feel like Cloth and Paper really came through with this month's box. So thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item is in this box for the month of April. And yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know how to support the channel. You can give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe if you have not yet already. And just keep planning, you guys. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.